Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Have you ever gotten something new and then wondered how you ever lived without it in the first place? Well, that's how I feel about this beautiful solar fountain. There's so many things that I love about it. It's very easy to use. I got it right out of the box. I filled up my container with water. I put it in it, I sized it up, and I put a nozzle on it, and it worked. Another thing that I really love about it is the variety of different fountains that you get to use. It comes with 7 different options for you to put on there. They are all very easy to use, and they just give you a variety of beauty that you can choose from. Another thing I really liked about it is that it didn't have to sit in the sunshine for a long time before it started working. It kind of worked right away, which I thought was fantastic. And it even worked on a cloudy day. I was really surprised by that. Here's a little picture of how to really get it to fit your vessel. So that comes with these little outriggers that are very simple to put on, and then you just cut them down to the size that you want so that it stays put right in the middle of the vessel that you're putting it in. You add water, you add your nozzle, and you are ready to enjoy your beautiful fountain. Again, the nozzles are very easy to take on and off. They pop on and off with ease, and you've got such a wonderful variety to choose from. Here is the kicker. It lights up at night. Isn't this fantastic? So if you are in the market for a fountain or a wonderful gift to give to a friend, you have found it.
And that's my point of view.